Hey guys, welcome back to Suppressor Nation, Tailgate Talk.
This week we're taking a look at 4 short 9mm suppressors. Our first host is a CZ75B.
We'll be running the Odessa and the Kraken SK wet.
And we'll also have the Aurora and the Poseidon, both ran wet and brand new wipes.
Next up, we'll be running all 4 suppressors through the M&P 9mm full size.
They'll all be ran wet, and the Poseidon and the Aurora have both had 5 shots ran through them. Hey guys, we had a blast running these 9mm today. If you haven't ran a can wet, you must.
Hope you enjoyed the side-by-side footage. Comment below and let us know which one you think did the best.
Please like, subscribe, follow us on Instagram, suppress_nation.
If you'd like to get any of the suppressors that you saw today, check the link down below for Hanson Brothers and get your very own.